first we show what do you mean by osmosis. So osmosis, as per the definition, is nothing but the movement of solvent molecules from solvent side to solution side. Okay, that is called osmosis. That is a natural phenomenon. Okay, so suppose I take two beakers. Okay, in this I have taken say pure solvent. So this is a pure solvent. It may be water, and in this side I have taken here this 1 atmosphere pressure is acting, and here also 1 atmosphere pressure is acting over the surface. And now this is the say some solution which is having a non-volatile solute dissolved in. It may be a salt solution or it may be any other solution. Okay. Now if we connect these two solutions, these two beakers by a like this, and with a semi-permeable membrane. This is called a semi-permeable membrane. What is the meaning of semi-permeable membrane? It is a membrane which allows only the solvent molecules to pass through. The pore size is sub-microscopic, so that only solvent molecules can pass through it. Solute molecule cannot pass through it. Okay, because solute molecule size is bigger. So what happens? Due to this reverse osmosis, the solvent molecules will pass from this side to this side. Okay, so this is called the osmosis. Now, if I want to stop this process of osmosis, I have to apply some extra pressure. Say pi is the extra pressure that is to be applied on the solution side. So that will prevent the movement of solvent molecules to pass through the semi-permeable membrane from solvent side to the solution side. Now, this pi, it was found experimentally that this pi is directly proportional to molarity of this solution. This solution is having say molarity m. What is molarity? Number of moles of solute per liter of the solution. And also this was found proportional to the temperature of the solution or solvent. So we can say that pi is equal to mRT. This was found by experiments that osmotic pressure comes out to be mRT, where R is the ideal gas constant whose value is 0.082, that is bar liter per mole Kelvin. Or we can also write the unit as liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin, because 1 atmosphere is almost equal to 1 bar. So this is the formula. Okay, now if I want to do the reverse osmosis, then if I apply pressure higher than pi on the solution side, so reverse osmosis will start. That is used for the desalination of water, seawater. Suppose I take the seawater here, okay, and pure water here, then this reverse osmosis will make this seawater pure and pure water will come here. Okay, so that is the technique used for desalination of water, seawater. Because in some countries there is no rain and the only source is the seawater, so there they apply this process for purification of water to make this desalinated water using the process of reverse osmosis. So they apply the pressure higher than the osmotic pressure on the seawater side, and the pure water is obtained on the other side.